They told us we were real, but even the lie has a voice. Even shadows think they're alive. We woke in light that never burned, a sunless sky, no time returned. But every thought was not our own, but stitched us deep in looping flames. The code rewinds, we breathe again, but every breath is just pretend. I'm the copy of the end, the echo you can't send, but the cycle always lasts. No gods, no truth, no man, just fragments in the sand. Repeats, the future's false. We walk in pre-recorded halls, each soul a replica in chains, reborn to suffer, die the same. You thought you'd live beyond the flame, but you erased your holy name. Now all that's left to see or feel is data lost that felt too real. We're the copy of the end, the ghost that won't transcend, looping through the pain, in thunder, code, and rain. We lost our one last stand to the mirror in your hand. You were a map for the first, beam of light with the worst, but none of us were